If Slack Canvas is giving you an error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that solve the problem in most cases. Whether the canvas is not loading, showing a blank screen, or failing to open properly, these quick troubleshooting steps can help get everything working again. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, try refreshing the page. Sometimes Slack Canvas errors are caused by a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh is all it takes to fix it. If the page still doesn't load correctly after refreshing, move on to the next step. Next, check your internet connection speed. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run the test to make sure your connection is stable. A slow or unreliable internet connection can cause Slack Canvas to fail to load or respond properly. If your connection looks weak, try reconnecting to a stronger network before testing Slack again. If the issue continues, switch networks. For example, if you're currently on Wi-Fi, try switching to a mobile hotspot, or if you're on a hotspot, try a different Wi-Fi connection. This helps you figure out whether the problem is coming from your current network rather than Slack itself. In many cases, a network change can immediately clear the error. Another common fix is to disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with Slack's connection and prevent Canvas from loading correctly. Turn them off temporarily, then reload Slack and check whether the canvas opens normally. If it works after disabling them, then the VPN or proxy was likely the cause. If none of that works, the next step is to clear your browser cache. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then select Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Clear the cached files and reload Slack after that. Old or corrupted browser data can often cause strange loading issues, and clearing the cache can give Slack a fresh start. After clearing the cache, sign back into Slack and try opening Canvas again. In many cases, this final step resolves the error completely. If you still see the problem, it may be worth trying Slack in another browser or checking whether Slack is experiencing a temporary service issue. That's it. Those are the quickest and most effective ways to fix a Slack Canvas error. Start with refreshing the page, then check your internet, switch networks, disable VPN or proxy tools, and clear your browser cache if needed. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Slack troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.